How's everybody doing today? Yeah, we're down at the river as usual. Not usual, but kind of nice to get a break to come down here. But we've been talking about helping everybody understand this illusion that we're in. Because understanding that the reality around us isn't really real and that it's a simulation, a matrix, holodeck, whatever you want to call it, it's kind of hard for people. But there is a black and white language that helps to understand it, and that's math. See, a lot of people don't realize that math is, it really is black and white, and absolute and perfect. This simulation wouldn't work without it. But understanding how it's an illusion can be done as simply as understanding what they mean when they say there's no such thing as a perfect circle. It's an illusion. See, you know the equation pi 3.14 blah 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 whatever. Matter of fact, they went out to I don't even know how many digits to try and see, if you make a perfect circle, that means both ends are going to meet at the exact same spot with the exact perfect radius. It can't happen. That's what that 314 blah 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 is all about. It's impossible to make a perfect circle. And that is the easiest way to understand every circle you see in the world is really just a close approximation of a perfect circle. You can't make a perfect circle here. It's an illusion. And then understanding the math behind quantum physics and how the simulation, we pretty sure we know, yeah, the world is not real around us. That's a little deeper. But the pi one's simple for people to understand the trick, the illusion. And that's what we have. That's what this is. It's all an illusion. And though it feels real to all of us, you got to remember, we're in it. That's why it feels real. But topside, you know, all the good things that are here are up there. But all the bad things that are here are not there. You don't have serious chronic pain. You don't have the poop and pee world. You don't have the bugs. You don't have the hot and cold. You can simulate it if you wanted, but most people are kind of cool with no more hot and cold. But see, it's a perfect world up there. Not so much down here. This here is this is a tough simulator. A very tough simulator. And realizing that you're in a simulator and realizing you're doing your time in boot camp is something you need to grab a hold of and really soak in, because that is the truth. That is what's going on. And understanding it helps you to cope with it. Because all these bad things that happen, you know, most of them are people doing it to each other. And the other bad things is all about the simulator and what you're in. So if we take care of the part where people are doing bad to each other, then all we got to contend with is the simulator. And you'd be surprised. I think we'd do a lot better if we could just remember that and focus on that. Because that's not stopping. That's always going to be there. All the way till 2,000 years from now when the whole thing comes to an end here. But by then we'll be out in the stars. And, you know, that quantum entanglement thing really is true. Check it with your scientists that do know what they're talking about. And you'll find that it is definitely a feasible possibility. We just got to figure out how to make them raw materials and then build it. So, that is the future of mankind. And we got plenty of time. But we can certainly calm the simulator down by start taking care of it, because it really does react to what we do to it. And that is no lie. Like I said, the scientists have been telling us this stuff for a long time, because we are actually making it worse. And we need to stop making it worse. We need to stop polluting it. We need to start taking care of the resources that we do have. So, just so you understand, it is a simulation, and it's a tough one. We don't need to make it worse.